Today I have some completions of my mini diamond art paintings from various companies. I am excited to show you these. I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. I'm going to show you what I complete while driving in the car, while people are eating dessert at my table. So my hands have to always be doing something. So I just do a small diamond art project while everybody's chit-chatting so I can be part of the conversation and my hands are moving. First, we have Diamond Art Club. Let's put them here. We have a hot dog. We have a piece of yummy pizza. And we have a chicken leg. Now, I did get to frame two of them. Here's the taco. I love the taco in this frame. It is gorgeous. And here is another chicken leg. I love the way these came out in these little frames. These are leftover from my adult diamond art class. I had 2 packs. I had 12 pictures for them to pick from, obviously, and they were the 2 foods. So these were leftover canvases that people did not pick. So I completed them, and so far I've got 2 framed. Love it. Next up we have Make Market Floral. This was another class. Yeah. Love these. I have a friend who I took one to her house. She likes little projects, and she said she takes her flowers, cuts them out, puts them on cardstock, and makes a greeting card out of it. She'll cut out the pattern, glue it on the front of the card, and then she fills out on the inside, makes it her personalized greeting card. I think that was a wonderful idea. Now I did this one is almost too charted, but as you can see, I did run out of drills. This one I really did run out of drills, but it came out nice. It's a flower, so sometimes things are not always perfect to what we think a flower should look like. So I just put my own twist on it. Love these. Same with this one. I ran out a little bit of drills there, but they came out nice. Very happy with the way these came out, and I might make my own greeting cards with this. I think that's a wonderful idea. Wonderful idea. Next is another Make Market, the Mandela series. This was another class I had. And one of them is completely my own design because I had kitted them down before they were all completed. So I just used leftover drills and made it my own. As you can see, which one? I think it's this one. Nope. this one. These two, I believe, no, they're a little different. Nope, I think these two are the same. Well, I think this was, no, I think this is the one that I made my own pattern. And I remember for a fact the green in here is my own doing. This is another good one that you can cut out and make greeting cards out of. You can also put them in a 4x6 frame like I did with the other ones. But these are the Make Market Mandalas. These are the leftovers from the two kits. And I did, one of them I did in the car. I think it was this one. I did this one in the car on the way to Tennessee. That's Make Market Mandalas. And then we have Make Market Dogs. These I actually added my own ABs and fairy dust. I added fairy dust in here. And there's some in the ears. I did not put an AB in his eyes. I just thought that would look weird. And there's ABs in, is it ABs? Yeah, they're ABs in the dog's ears. This one, I didn't add anything to it. This one is my puppy Milo. And this one I did put ABs in the eyes. Can you see that? I did. I thought it was kind of cute. So these are the Make Market Dogs. 4 of them. I still have 2 that I have to complete for the next car ride. These are the dogs. They are adorable. These would look good in a frame too. Like if you buy a 3-pack, that would look good. It'd also make a good greeting card too. So that's also Make Market. This is a Diamond Dots bag. It comes pre-charted. And you just diamond art the bag. Love it. It's a butterfly. You don't diamond art the perimeter of it, just the butterfly itself. I did not change any of the colors. This is as charted, and it is a bag. And I believe, just kidding, I don't think you can fit. Nope, just kidding. But you can put some diamond art supplies inside the bag. You know, like a pen, the pens, wax, putty, small trays. It works. So we have the diamond dots, and we have our Make Market puppies, our Make Market mandalas, and Make Market florals, and our Make Market, not Make Market, Diamond Art Club food, which have fairy dust. They're primarily fairy dust in their canvases. Yep. Diamond Art Clubs. These are, I'd say 90% fairy dust. There's a few ABs in there. I think one. Well, these are actually special gems that you see glittering right there. So if you have not tried Make Market Minis or Diamond Art Club Mini Dazzlers, I highly recommend you give them a try. They're great small projects. Here's my taco. I love my taco. Go give them a shot. Thank you. Have a great day.